Without going in the routine. Something a lot of y'all don't do. We're gonna start off with the toothbrush. See that thing some water now. I know Bajay don't do this. Behind the camera.
Man, come on, be for real, man.
Behind the camera, bro, smell like, hey, is.
Whatever.
What big money bag say? We're doing this. Like,
Yes, sir.
look, the dentist said you only supposed to put a pea-size amount of toothpaste on your toothbrush. Do not fill it all the way back there because it's clean the same amount. So you're wasting toothpaste. But then you might like this. And then you done.
What we doing today? Chipotle? Sneaky. What time is?
Oh. Hit that shit, light skin. Tear it up.
Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on every video. I got 91 subscribers. I need 9 more till I'm at that big 100, man. Y'all help me out so I can get this Hellcat, this Trackhawk, this Corvette, this C8.
Yes, sir. And they're gonna get
100 likes, I'll put it on the track. For sure.
100 likes on this video. We on the track, the race track, next week. You know what? I'm gonna be here next Friday. We're gonna move in next Friday. We're gonna be at the track. Have a great day, man. Let's start at 2 o'clock. Look, y'all see that Benz over there? Did the faster car here. I promise y'all.
Is that Beamer?
Mosquito coming out of it.
I'm glad these mosquitoes ain't locked on to me yet. Who?
I mean that Honda, whatever the fuck that shit is.
Ranger. Why they Benz, y'all? Y'all, they Mustang him, boy. That bitch running, boy. Oh my God. Come on, Mustang.
You ain't got no chance.
That bitch sound good, though, Tyree.
You got lights.
Yeah.
That nigga's praying.
He blowing that nitrous out that thing, boy. Now, they definitely the fastest car on the lot. What is y'all? Y'all check this shit out. There you go, Nick. Y'all could not pay me to get in that car, boy. Oh my goodness. Big scat. Yeah, that scat sound good though, boy. God, somebody had to turn that off. Damn.
You put up on the door. Put up on the door. We need to ask them who built that car.
Oh God, boy, that shit tough, boy.
I'm ready to get my shit.
Oh my goodness. They go another Mustang, finna tear this scat up, bro. Scoot up, scat. There you go. Over with, man. It is over with. Scat, you stop trying these old Mustang, man. It's over with, man. Come on, Nick.
Look, you two, that nigga scared to spend some money.
He's scared to spend some money, man. They trying to get a game. They trying to get a gaming. They trying to get a gaming monitor.
They don't
only,
play
but
with
the
me
only
now.
way they'll get it is if one of the other buys. So they both gotta buy it.
You too.
He not
If I show y'all the messages, I got to bet them to play with me. So they can have to bet me.
Nigga, we've been begging you for 10 minutes. Come on, bro. We'll play the game tonight if you get it. Yeah, what up, you too, man? You see, you what T Glock, we was at the track today. Shit,
Slide that car, probably be in the car right there.
Huh?
Oh, that one.
Tyree,
chill.
Tyree burning me time, man.
They hot, ain't they?
We let it, hey, damn, I can't even talk.
Stuttering like Bye
T
J.
Glock got this thing, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Beat track. I'm gonna add some more to it. Yes, sir. T-Bone. T Glock.